My name is Balki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you are welcome. So today I'm going to show you how laundry is done in Freetown Sierra Leone. Okay, you can get a washing machine if you want when you get here, but laundry is generally done using your hands. Like, your hands are the washer. Is the washer and the dryer. Okay, so I'm going to show you some things that you need for laundry day in Africa. All right, you're gonna need a couple of things, a couple of buckets and something else. All right, so the number one thing you need is detergent, powder detergent. Okay, this is gonna get all the dirt out of your clothes. Very important. You need a powdered detergent. And something else you're gonna need is a washboard. This is gonna get all the things out, I guess. Like, this is going to add the power to your washing. Okay, washboard. What else? You are going to need a bucket. Like a big old bucket. Okay, I know this is big, but yeah. And I already have some of my things in there that I'm going to wash. It's not a lot, just a few. And you are going to need another bucket of water. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is soak your clothes, and just add water to them, and you're gonna add your detergent. Okay, so I have soaked my clothes, and I'm gonna wait for about 30 minutes, and then I am going to start washing. So I am basically done. I just have to squeeze them out now, and then get ready to hang them and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to squeeze them out and then put them in another bucket, and that's where I'm going to do the final rinsing out of things. See how I'm sweating? Like, it takes a lot of manpower, woman power, I guess. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have changed the water now. It's a clean water, and I'm just gonna rinse this out real good. Put them in the green bucket bowl again, and then I'm going to do one last rinse and then hang them up. So yeah. guys, I have already rinsed out the laundry and it's just, you know, ready for hanging. Ta-da! All clean. Yeah, it takes a lot of hard work. Like, kudos to people who do this like every single day. Some people, they do laundry every day. Some people, they do it once a week. Even once a week, like, that's a lot. Yeah, so yeah, but we are strong. Okay, all right, so thank you for watching. God bless you. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below, have you ever done laundry with your hands? Yeah, have you ever done it before? Like, your hands are your washer and your dryer. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching once again. God bless you. Please like, share, subscribe, and comments. Have a great day. Bye for now. Bye.